Let's take a look at comparative graphs in Adquio SCADA. We'll explore two very different alternatives to display comparisons between various values and variables sourced from our controllers. The first is a type of bar graph, where values are compared in columns of different colors. The second option is pie charts, which give us a general overview of total consumption and how that consumption is distributed, for example, across a total. To create either of these graphs, the first thing we need to do is create a data source. For this, we go to the bar chart section. Even though it's called bar charts, it also works for pie charts. For example, I already have two created. One where I selected the consumption of this company by departments, another where I did the same but segmented by the company's zones. Let's see how to do this. I have one created here that I will delete and recreate to show the complete process. To create a new one, simply click the plus button and give it a name. It will appear at the top as a new data source. At the bottom, we can customize it. Within the types of values we can incorporate into the graph, we have values from variables, current date and time. To add a value, go to the three dots at the top and select a tag. For example, select any variable, such as a relay. In this case, since we're comparing values, you can't select more than one at a time. We select an element, and as we've seen in previous cases, we can change the color of the graph and the border if we want. If we want to add another one, we simply click the button again. This is how I created the graphs we already have here. Once everything is created and all the variables we're interested in have been selected, all we need to do is choose either a bar graph or a pie chart. Both work exactly the same way. When viewing the example, we can go to its properties, where we'll find a place to select the data source it will work with. These data sources are the ones we saw earlier. The one already created. The demo we just created. All we need to do is associate the data source, and from there, we can customize our graph as needed. This includes font sizes, legend colors, and more. As a final detail, if we select the pie chart, we'll find similar options, such as the data source and additional features to customize the legends. This is how simple it is to create graphs that compare values in Adquio SCADA. As you can see, we can do it through bar graphs or pie charts. See you in the next video.